Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hi. Look at his feet up on the cage. Look at his feet. Mom, come here. Come here. Seriously, come here. I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you something.
Is that a whiner?
Yeah.
I see it.
He's got a... I know. That's what I was gonna tell you. He's a boner. Hey, Aunt Kathy. Come here. Just come here.
Oh my god! I'm so excited. Because his thingamajiggy's sticking out.
I didn't know the monkeys had blue balls.
Stop. I'm trying to get a picture.
You're gonna freaking zoom in on that, aren't you?
Now the whole world knows.